Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing in and enabling Remix in Creator Settings so the feature appears. Once done, pick a public or your own video that allows remixes. Permissions matter for reuse. Then tap Remix, set the start time, and capture or import a clip up to 60 seconds. You should choose a section with clear audio and visual hooks so viewers stay engaged. Make sure to save the clip and proceed immediately to layering to avoid losing progress. Now you refine the clip, trim to the exact frame and use small increments to tighten pacing. Then add layers, keep the original audio or replace it with music from YouTube's library, a voiceover, or imported sound. This affects copyright and monetization, so choose intentionally. Once added, align cuts to beats, adjust levels, and enable captions for accessibility. You'll preview often. Each preview helps catch sync issues and ensures transitions feel natural before finalizing effects or overlays. Finish by selecting resolution, creating a compelling thumbnail, and choosing privacy, public, unlisted, or private. Add a concise title, description, and tags, and tag the original creator where required to respect attribution and enable credit. Then publish or schedule the remix. If something goes wrong during export or upload, clear app cache, retry the upload, or revert to your saved draft and re-export. If audio or sync shifts, reopen the project, fix alignment, and export with a smaller resolution to test quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.